Hey friends, Zen Kahuna is standing right here, ready to show you some more fun play to do with your longevity ring. So remember, any kind of ring can do, various sizes can work. I like wooden ones so you can get gymnastic rings. They have children's gymnastics rings that are smaller that I like. You can get a Wing Chun ring, which would be much larger. I have them all. They all work great, so use whatever you can get your hands on. Let's do it. Longevity rings are excellent to use not only for active recovery days, but you can also use them for isometric and dynamic tension type exercises. So today we're doing it as mobility work. We're going to start with the eagle. So open the hands, palms up, shoulders well back, squeezing the shoulder blades together, push the earth away, engage the glutes, engage the abdominals, spine is long. We're going to bring the arm that's holding the ring over. We're going to reach up with the opposite hand, take a hold of it, and then we're going to pull down. What we're going to do now is out and in. So I'm using resistance against this. I'm not trying to stop it, I'm not trying to make it a dynamic tension, but I am doing a dynamic tension. It's just that I'm not using a great deal of resistance. Then I'm going to move, let me show you from the side. I'm going to move my arms forward, out, in. So I'm reaching my hands forward, outward, roll it in towards me, and then in towards center. You can really feel this working, not only the shoulder, but where my arms are crossing. So I'm massaging that wad of 3 on the forearm there, around the brachioradialis, and that is potent. Then what we're going to do is release the hand that was holding it, so we've switched our ring to the opposite side. Then we're going to cross opposite arm, grip, pull down, and then pull out and in with some resistance. Now, arm forward, out, inward, towards the center. Then we're going to change hands again. This time we're going to have I don't want to be in close, I want to have my hands pushed out, and with resistance I'm going to lift the ring upward and pull it down. So I'm keeping my arms crossed at the elbows. I'm breathing in as I go up, out as I come down. Change hands. After yesterday's heavy day of movement, this feels absolutely wonderful. Show you from the side again. and come down. So you can see that with a focus on just this one eagle move with the variations that are possible, you can really begin to work grip, wrists, elbows, shoulders, and the entire chest-shoulder girdle. Let me show you one more. So we'll start out to the side as we do with each one. We're going to cross over as we do and pull down as we do. Now this time what is going to be a little different is we're going to pull up over. So here's my high hand. This high hand is going to come up over the shoulder. The low arm is going to push it up and back, and then I'm going to pull down at a diagonal. Inhale, exhale, pull down. Now as you're doing this, make sure glutes are engaged and you're actively engaging abdominals to help pull you down. Then up and pull down. Up. And so you're resisting both directions. Got a good dynamic tension going on. Then change hands and repeat. I'm going to show this to you from the side. Always contract the abdominals as I come down. And release. So focusing only on the eagle variations, you can really do a great job of unleashing any residual tension or discomfort from your heavier days of training with kettlebells or clubs or maces or medicine balls or whatever you've been using. It doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be fast. It doesn't have to be long. Active recovery days, you decide the length, you decide the intensity. I don't even like to use the word intensity on active recovery days. Make it easy and smooth. Make it a great day. You're the guru, and it's another wonderful day, so celebrate it.